It's What the Truck Wednesday, and we're going to be talking about diesel trucks.
Yes, the mighty Titan XD diesel.
Do you think Vin Diesel has a diesel?
No, I think he probably has a Tesla.
Definitely. So, yeah, if you own a Titan, a newer Titan, an A61 Titan, and you need to take care of it, I know you're taking care of the truck yourself. You're not taking it to the dealer because
you're tough and rugged like that.
Yeah. We got tons of Cummins parts in stock, and it's just something we want to showcase today. I got this out. You want to pick that up? Just because of the size of it.
Now, here's a quick question for you guys. Where do you think we ship most of our Titan diesel parts to? I'm going to give you 2 places, and you can tell me which one you think is where we send most of them to. Is it Canada or is it Texas? What do you think? It's actually both. That's where
I was going to say it's both. And the funny thing is Cummins is based out of Canada.
I know.
Yeah.
Although this gasket is made in the United States.
Yeah. So, yeah, Texas has always been the hot spot for diesel stuff. I'd be willing to bet that, most of the states down there, New Mexico, Arizona, probably all have a lot of diesel trucks. But you ever been through Texas?
I went to the Dallas-Fort Worth airport.
Yeah. When I moved out here and we drove through Texas, it was like nothing but diesels. Nothing but trucks.
Really?
I was in my little Suzuki going down the road, and they're just flying past me, rolling coal, as you boys call it. Now, these cup holders, these are for the A61 Titan. I don't know why we sell so many of these, but we sell tons of them.
Let me get a look at that.
We have sold these since the trucks came out. I remember back in the day. When
See, this is for your big 64-ounce super big gulps.
It's for your girl, Stanley.
That's right.
Sticking to things that now this is out of control, and you don't want to get caught out in the middle of the field doing some work
On the ranch.
and not know how much fuel you have in your truck.
Right.
So I snagged this just because I wanted you guys to see how wild this is. This thing is huge. It's bigger than I am. You can tell because look how big I am and how big it is in the screen.
Yeah. It's wider than you are. That's for sure.
But yeah, this is, and everything we have here is stuff that we keep on the shelf. So if you order it, you need it, you are out there in the field broke down, we got you.
What do you guys think of these new mics, by the way? Russell got these in, and he's telling me that I need to lean into the mic and speak right into it.
It's going to take a second to get used to, I can tell you that.
It'll take a little bit to get used to. So hopefully the sound is consistent because I'm not always leaning into the mic.
Yeah, these are, I got these specifically for our lives, and we don't have to use these all the time. So we'll find out how it sounds when we do this video. This is the test. You guys, diesel guys are getting it because I know y'all get in the comments and complain. We've done a diesel video before.
Can't hear you.
Yeah. This is something new. This is a temp sensor. We'll call it a coolant temp sensor. But this is also used for the fuel on the diesel. This
Fuel
is
temp sensor?
This is on the fuel filter housing. I was looking it up, checking fitment on it, and I was like, why are there 2 of these? Yeah, there's one on the housing and then one on the, presumably on the motor.
Interesting.
Yeah. They use the same one, which is strange because usually Nissan's like, we need to change that.
Right.
For this vehicle. We need 2 of those.
What else you got over there?
This is part of a kit. These are fuel lines. And this is a fuel injection pump.
Let's see it.
Now, I didn't really want to unpack it because once I unpack it, it's never going back in this package again. And the person who needs it or the technician who needs it in our shop, I want them to know that it hasn't been monkeyed with.
Right.
But this is manufactured by Bosch for Cummins. Now, the box that this comes in is full of parts. Seals, gaskets, lines.
Is it that huge box in the corner? Oh, that's for the fuel pump.
That's it.
That's the box.
That's the box.
Oh, okay.
But you get 2 sets of these lines. You get a whole bunch of gaskets, a whole bunch of seals. Basically, everything you need to take it off and reinstall it.
That's nice.
Yeah. That's one of the things that I will say that we have kind of liked about Cummins is that when you buy a component, it generally comes with everything you need to remove it, especially these major components, because I think they know, we don't want to tick anybody off. We're just going to do it right. The parts guys, they don't know any better, so we're going to help them out.
Well, we appreciate that.
Yeah. We like it. Our technicians like it. Joe,
Especially
Joe.
our diesel guy.
Yeah, get in the comments, guys. I'd be really interested. Do you remember the video that we did where we had the turbo and the actuator, swing valve, and all that stuff, and we talked about probably our first diesel video?
That was a long time ago.
That video gets comments constantly.
Really?
So I know that you guys are looking for diesel information. So let us know in the comments. What do you want to see? What do you want us to talk about? The truck's gone. We don't have any. So we're going to have to go take one out of somebody's driveway. But I'd love to know what kind of stuff you guys are interested in for the truck. Or you just need a discount code so you can buy some parts.
There you go. That's the way to do it. Save money.
Yeah. So get in the description. I'll put a link to everything down there if you need some of this stuff. If you need something else, let us know. It could be an oil filter or a fuel filter. We got the fuel filters and oil filters and stuff. But yeah, that's it. What's Truck Wednesday?
Easy peasy.
Bye.
See ya.